Hello everybody, it's Greg from Rogosa here. Welcome to the channel, and I hope to earn your like and subscription today. Uh, Here we've been in our short strangle now for about an hour. I've been watching the tape. We had a few bounces. Basically, it's just been a still selling off. VIX just crossed 19.5. We got in like 19.2, 19.3 VIX. So it's starting to get to a point where I'm starting to think, do I really want to stay in this position as is? Do I want to adjust it somehow? Do I want to throw on? Do I want to make it long term? What do I want to do? I already knew going into this I did not want to hold it over the weekend. If I didn't have to, I didn't want to turn it into a long-term play. I thought it could just be a quick, easy in and out. You know, that's famous last words. 20 minutes tops. C'est la vie. London is just about to wrap up. You know, they're in their last little bit of trading here, or well, more like Frankfurt and Paris. But I don't know if they're what's keeping this market down right now. Hard to tell. Very hard to tell. We had that floor or that support level at 74.50. It broke through. We seem to have it again, you know, around here where we are right now, 74.40, 74.35, something like that. But I still think that there's more room to fall on this right now. My gut, my Spidey Senses are telling me that if I don't want to sit in this thing for like the next week, I should just, you know, take what that 2.5, 3 point loss is probably what we can get it out at, and live to fight another day. Yeah, that's alright. VIX 19.6. Alright. You can see I got a good cancel here. Cancel or the good to close in 95.25. That was just very opportunistic. I was looking to get maybe 5 points out of this, you know, closing 97, something like that, 98. But it did not work out. Did not work. I don't want to be, you know, we've got the finger on the trigger right here. 15.4 open up a bit. You know, when you're watching the tick by tick, you can really get super invested in this. And usually if you're going to sell some volatility, you know, nicely, you don't, watching tick by tick is a good way to go crazy. Here. Oh, come on. The depth of market on this can get super wide. And then you just can't see it on the thing. Which gets annoying. Just manually enter it. Make sure you don't fat finger stuff when you do it like this. It's a good way to lose money. Alright. This thing is just vol expanding is like going right out the window. It's a lot of heat right now. 106. Here, let's try 107 is probably going to get hit by that. Fire it. Let's fire it. That's actually, wait, we're coming back. We're coming back, fam. Are we? Are we actually coming back? Probably not. Here, let's pull it to a little more granular here. There we go. You can see here, the reason why I've got the charts laid out, or like the workstation laid out the way that it does, is because it just seems to work better for workflow. You know, I can swap screens on the swap them looking at on the fly. It makes it a lot nicer, a lot easier to work with. You find your own workflow, you know, how you like things laid out, and you run with it. Okay, so it looks like we just had a small little sell off. This is why I don't like just slamming the bit or the ask or lifting it. I like to work the order a bit. Sometimes it helps out, sometimes not. I mean, it just makes me feel like I'm doing something sometimes. But, you know. Okay. We're gonna put it back here at 106. Let's try 106.5. Come back. Oh, there we go. We got filled 106. So we just lost 3.5 points. Whatevs. You know what? But we're picking up some juice on that that short put. So 3.5 could probably close it out. You know, maybe 4-ish. Let's put a closing order on this here. 430. Keep an eye on it. Do we think it's gonna fall some more? I mean, this is kind of like our lotto ticket right now. No, let's pull the plug. 4 mid. Let's work the order a bit. Let's get out of this thing. You know, there we go. All right. Now let's go record our pain. Ugh, losing money sucks sometimes, but you know what? If your Spidey Senses are a tingling, you listen to them. Because staying in the game is better than trying to win everything you put out. Alright, what are the trades here? Alright, it's 102, so that's 3.5, net, 3.5. Trade. What was the delta on that thing roughly? 68.50. Alright, so how much did we actually lose on this trade here? We lost some commissions, but I don't look at that all the time. Alright, we lost 265. After commissions, that's like close to 3 points, whatever. You know what? I can live with that. If I can live with that, I hope you can live with that. If you can't live with just taking a 2-point hit in this game, you probably shouldn't be there. I like so often the bid-ask spread is like 1.5, 2 points. I mean, let's look at a bid-ask spread right now here. Actually, this one isn't so bad, but all right, 1.5 points right here on the 22.5 delta call. Yeah, 1.5, something like that. If we just crossed the spread twice, or if you look at the let's look at what the current 22 delta thing is trading for here. This spread right now is 3 points. Yeah, is that 3? Yeah, that's 3. That's 3 points. Arithmetic sucks. Yeah, 3 points on this Strangle. We just crossed the bid ask. We got in, we didn't like it, pulled the plug, got out, and lost the spread. Like, whatever. Not here to be perfect. Here to make good trades. Not every trade is going to be a good trade. Yesterday, you saw me leave like 5 points on the table, and I was in a Strangle for 2-3 days, something like that, and I collected 2.5 points. You know, well, over these last 2 Strangles, we just netted out to 0. But look at this. Look at this right now. VIX is pulling up. And what is the pricing on the Strangle right now? 108. All right. 107.75 for ask. 105.25. So you're looking at a 3-point, 3-point spread right there. Or I guess that would be 2 points. Now it's 3. So we're still operating within the spread, and I can't remember exactly what the spread was on entry, but the market makers do not like filling orders at mid price, unless if you set your order in at mid and just let the market move, a lot of the times your order is just going to get filled straight on delta movement. It's not like all of a sudden somebody came around and Citadel was like, oh hey, now I can match up your order for the price you want. No, that's usually not what happens. These high frequency shops, the high frequency market makers, which is basically everybody, they are taking your order, throwing it into the system, and then seeing how they can spit it out. These guys operate in fractions of a second. So you letting your order rest at the mid price for 60 seconds, 120 seconds, that is a lifetime. You are not getting your order lifted because the internal matchmaking system at Citadel found a way to match your order at the price you wanted. You got hit, your order got filled because Delta changed, because Citadel found out we can make some money from this guy now. He has crossed what our expected mid is going to be, and that's what we're going to hit him at. So that's what happens. Right now at a 775, we could probably close this at 106.75. It's possible. 105, 108. That's putting the mid at 106. You're not going to get filled at 106. You'd probably get filled 107, 107.25. Usually they want you to come pretty close, and I hate doing that. But yeah, so there you go. You watched me lose some money. VIX came up. Maybe we're going to still keep going down on the day. I don't know. But this is the game. This is what you sign up for. Like look at that. We're coming down. We entered into the Strangle kind of right around here, I think, and got out. The market came down about what was this, like 4/10. That's some big delta heat, and it just did not feel comfy. So pull the plug. Gotta do what you gotta do. Alright. Thank you for stopping by. And hope to see you again soon. Happy trading.